Hey everybody, Forrest here with you from Life Assist, Senior Clinical Product Specialist, and today we're taking a look at 3 products exclusively available here. Thanks, Scott. Welcome to What's in the Box. Starting off with a must-have in the rig is the Taylor Titan Rapid Cooling Bag. 2025 is set to be one of the hottest summers on record, and heat-related emergencies will surely be on the rise. This ultra-strong 4x8-foot bag holding up to 575 pounds can reduce body temps up to 3 degrees in just 15 to 20 minutes. All you gotta do is place the patient in the bag, add ice, cold water, and let the cooling begin. Next up, one of my faves, the Safe BVM 𝐸 device. You know, overventilating can have damaging consequences. All you gotta do is attach this between a BVM or an advanced airway and start delivering safer volumes, pressures, and rates. The 𝐸's flow control valve sets a 55 liter per minute maximum, collapsing when squeezed too hard. This tactile forcing function results in better patient outcomes, one gentle squeeze at a time. Finally, is inventory management stressing you out? Overstocking, understocking, throwing away expired product? Well, PS Trax has the solution for you. Inventory management built for first responders. Take control of your agency's supply chain management by simplifying all aspects of the purchasing and inventory process. Want to know more? Schedule a demo by clicking on the link below. I'm Forrest, and that's what's in the box. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.